हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में आप देखने वाले हैं एचपीएससी असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर केमिस्ट्री के स्क्रीनिंग एग्जाम की आंसर की, जो कि 29 मई यानी कि आज मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट में हुआ है। इस वीडियो के एंड में आप आंसर्स मैच करने के बाद अपने टोटल मार्क्स बना लेंगे। उसके बाद कमेंट सेक्शन में जाकर एक पोल का लिंक गिवन है, वहां जाकर आप वोटिंग करिए। जो भी आपके मार्क्स बन रहे हैं, जो एक्सपेक्टेड कट ऑफ रहेगी इस एग्जाम की, वो कल तक आपको बता दी जाएगी। सो नाउ हैंडिंग इट ओवर टू सर।
चलिए तो स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग द कॉम्प्लेक्सेस फॉर्म्ड बाय lanthanide इज करेक्ट? सो आंसर इज डी, दैट इज lanthanide ions typically display weak but sharp absorption spectra. Okay. Second question, which of the following drug is anti-neoplastic? The answer is A, mechloroethanamide. Question number 3, which of the following statement best describe pharmacokinetics? The answer gonna be C, the study of how drug reach their target in the body and how levels of drug in the blood are affected by absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. चलिए बढ़ रहे हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 की तरफ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में गिवन है which of the following compound is expected to be optically active at room temperature? तो जो आंसर है इसका आंसर होगा C, this answer. Okay, question number 5, which of the following reaction 1 to 3 yield the major product with retention in configuration? तो जो इसका आंसर है वो होने वाला है D, both 1 and 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं। The reaction with p-tert butyl phenol, sodium hydroxide and formaldehyde yields for arene as major product because of the answer is gonna be first A, template effect. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 देख रहे हैं। The coldest region of the atmosphere is, answer gonna be D, that is mesosphere. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं। हाँ, ये कह रहा है आइडेंटिफाई द मेजर प्रोडक्ट इन द फॉलोइंग रिएक्शन फ्रॉम द गिवन ऑप्शन। चलिए तो यहाँ जो आंसर होने वाला है दैट इज गोना बी बी आंसर। ठीक है, तो इन लार्क एटलीस्ट यूज कर रहे हैं, सिस वाला फॉर्म आंसर होने वाला है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, फाइंड द मेजर प्रोडक्ट इन द फॉलोइंग रिएक्शन फ्रॉम द ऑप्शन गिवन बिलो। ओके, इसके अंदर आंसर होगा डी, राइट आंसर इज डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, in the following compound, number of functional group reduced by lithium aluminum hydride is X and the number of functional group reduced by sodium borohydride is Y. Find out the correct value of X plus Y. Answer, right answer is 5A. Question number 11, give the correct IUPAC name of the following structure. तो जो right answer है that is D, 5 bromo 4 5 bromo 4 6 dimethyl hep 3ene. Question number 12, predict the value of specific rotation of the following compound. The answer gonna be 0 degree. Question number 13 की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं। It is saying the total number of possible stereoisomer of cyclooctene and cyclohexene are respectively. Right answer is B, 2 and 2. Question number 14, which of the following statement 1 to 4 are correct for the given molecule X? जो right answer is B, 1, 2 and 4. Question number 15. Okay, choose the major product in the following reaction from option given below. Right answer is B. Question number 16, which of the following compound 1 to 4 are aromatic? The answer is, right answer is 1 and 4A. Question number 17, which of the following compound A to D will be formed as major product in the reaction shown? The right answer is C, compound C. Okay, question number 18, which of the following alcohol 1 to 3 cannot be prepared as major product via hydroboration oxidation of alkene? The right answer is B, 1 and 3. 19th Which of the following compound has four aromatic rings P, Q, R, and S? Rank them in terms of increasing activity toward electrophilic aromatic substitution. Avoid steric hindrance. तो जो right answer है it's gonna be D, R, S, P and Q. Question number 20. Which of the following molecule have two butane gauche interaction? Okay, the right answer is C. This one. C is the right answer. Question number 21. Which of the following compound 1 to 4 is R terpene? The right answer is C. Only first. Question number 22. Identify the photoproduct obtained by irradiation of trans silbene in presence of I2 and O2. The right answer is D. That is phenandrine. Question number 23. Arrange the labeled for this is protons P, Q, R and S in decreasing order of ppm values as expected in hydrogen NMR spectra. The right answer is D, S, R, P and Q. Question number 24. Which of the following compound shows a triplet at approximately 4 ppm in its 1H NMR spectrum? The right answer is A, compound A. Question number 25. In the given reaction, this in a symmetric equivalent of, the right answer is A, that is ketone. Question number 26. Which of the following reaction will produce the major product as shown in the respective scheme? Okay, so answer can be A, C and D. तीन आंसर हो सकते हैं इसके. राइट आंसर अगर आपको लगता है कोई और है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइएगा. मेरे अकॉर्डिंग A, C एंड D हो सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. चूज द मोस्ट appropriate starting material for the product X from the option given below. Okay, तो इसके लिए राइट आंसर होने वाला है C. Question number 28. Suggest the correct product of the below mentioned reaction from the option given. The right answer gonna be B. Which of the following reaction 1 to 4 are E alkene as major product? Note, in the reaction 1 and 3, the chiral center possess S configuration. The right answer gonna be A, 1, 2 and 4. Question number 30. Choose the major product P and Q formed in the following reaction from the two alternative given by structure 1 and 2. Okay, so हमें reaction given है. Right answer gonna be A. Product P is 1, product Q is 2. आगे बढ़ रहे हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 की ओर. द मेजर प्रोडक्ट formed in the following reaction is, the right answer is D, this one. Question number 32. Photo irradiation of 3-phenylpropene result in the formation of, the right answer is C. Next question number 33. Aldol reaction of cyclopentanone in acid and basic medium gives alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound in which dehydration follow. The right answer gonna be B, E2 elimination mechanism. चलिए नेक्स्ट बढ़ रहे हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 34 की तरफ. आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट ऑप्शन टू रिप्रेजेंट प्रोडक्ट P in the given reaction. The right answer is A. Okay, question number 35 की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं. Identify the major product P from the option given below. The right answer is B, this one. Question number 36. Crown ethers are well known for their ability to complex with. The right answer is B, alkali metal cations. Next question number 37. Asymmetric reduction of 2-butanol gives an enriched 2-butanol which exhibit specific rotation plus 120. If the specific rotation value of pure R isomer is minus 150 degree, then the ratio of R and S enantiomer in the product mixture would be. The answer is actually यहाँ पर आंसर राइट आंसर नहीं है. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी आंसर शुड बी 9:1. ठीक है. आई थिंक दिस क्वेश्चन इन दिस क्वेश्चन ग्रेस मार्क मिलेगी हमें. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 38 पे आ रहे हैं. The question is reaction of 1-chloro 3-phenyl propane 2-on with sodium methoxide gives. The answer is methyl 3-phenyl propanoate. Question number 39. In the following reaction sequence, the product X and Y are. The right answer is B. This is the right answer. Okay. Question number 40. Which of the following is the best explanation for the stereochemical outcome of the reaction shown below? The right answer is C. Bromine attack on alkene. Okay. आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. Question number 41 is, according to the VSEPR theory, the shape of SO4F4 and SO3F negative R dash respectively. The answer is D. Trigonal, bipyramidal and tetrahedral. Question number 42 is, among the following four pairs P, Q, R and S, those in which both species have similar shape are. The right answer is C. P, Q and R. The molecule in which the bond order increases upon addition of electron is. Right answer is B, that is B2. Question number 44 is, according to the Pearson, a hard base is one whose donor atom has. Answer is C, high electronegativity, low polarizability and which is difficult to oxidize. Question number 45 is, the strongest super acid among the following is. The right answer is C, that is solution of SbF5 in HF. Question number 46. Match the compound column 1 with their properties. The right answer is C, 1Q, 2R and 3P. Question number 47. Which of the following statement is false? Right answer is C, that is bond dissociation energy plays a significant role in determining relative strength of the acid. Question number 48 is, which of the following statement is incorrect on the basis of electronic configuration? Right answer is D, bromine has lower electron affinity than iodine. Question number 49. Which of following pairs the electronegativity difference is the highest? The right answer is D, that is potassium and fluorine. Question number 50 is, which of the following molecule have NON bond present in it? Right answer is B, N2O5. Question number 51. Which of the following is correct to show increasing order of their reducing power for oxoanion of sulfur? Right answer gonna be is C. Question number 52. Which of the following combination of metal M, number of carbonyl ligands X and the charge Z for a metal carbonyl complex MCOX satisfy the 18 electron rule? The right answer is B. Question number 53 is, the reaction of FeCO5 with acetic acid in the presence of sunlight leads to. The right answer is A. Question number 54. The product of reaction between MnCO5 negative and methyl iodide is. The right answer is C, MnCO4Me. Question number 55. In the mentioned reaction, which of the following step is not involved in the catalytic cycle? Right answer is D, that is transmatter. Question number 56. The MM bond present in this compound and this R dash respectively. The right answer is none. Actually में यहाँ पर कोई भी आंसर सही नहीं given है. According to me, it can be 1 and 6, but यहाँ पर ऑप्शन नहीं अवेलेबल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 57 की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं. According to Wade's rule, the transition metal cluster CO4 CO32 adopts dash? The right answer is D, that is nido structure. D. Question number 58 is the blue color of Re2Cl8 2 negative is due to dash transition. The right answer is A. Question number 59. The metal oxidation state of hemoglobin and vitamin B12 are dash respectively. The right answer is B, that is +2 and +3. B is the right answer. Question number 6 is which of the following statement is correct for cytochrome C? The right answer is C. It is redox protein and an electron carrier. Question number 61. Match the detector type column 1 with applicable sample column 2 with regard to GC technique. Okay, the right answer for 61 is C. C. क्वेश्चन नंबर 62 एंड 63 ये दोनों ही क्वेश्चन हमारे यहाँ पेपर में ब्लर हैं। अगर आपको इसका राइट आंसर पता है तो प्लीज कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 64 इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मेटल आयंस वुड बी इलेक्ट्रॉन स्पिन रेजोनेंस ESR positive? The right answer is B, that is copper 2 positive. Question number 65. Which of the following nuclei is NMR inactive? The right answer is C, that is Mg. Question number 66. Consider the nuclear reaction between uranium plus beta plus alpha goes to X plus Y plus 2 beta positive, where X is, the right answer is D, that is plutonium 238. Question number 67. The set among the following in which all the numbers are magic numbers of nucleon is? Right answer is A, that is 20, 28, 50 and 126. Question number 68 is which of the following orbital has 0 radial node? Right answer is B, that is 4f. Question number 69. Identify which of the following operators is not Hermitian? Right answer is A. Question number 70. The value of commutator this is given by. Right answer is C, that is 2IHPX. Question number 71. Which of the following electronic transition is an allowed transition? The right answer is C. Question number 72. Which of the following terms arises from the electronic configuration 2s1 2p1? The right answer is A, that is 3p2. Question number 73. The energy for a single electron excitation in cyclopropanium cation is in Huckel theory is dash. The right answer is B, 2 beta. Question number 74. Which of the following statement 1 to 4 are correct according to the valence bond theory? The right answer is A, that is 1 and 4. Question number 75. Which of the following molecule does not belong to C3b point group? The right answer is C, that is propine. Question number 76. Identify the correct molecular notation for following irreducible representation from the option given below. Answer is B, A2U. Question number 77. The number of fundamental vibrational nodes in the hydrogen sulfide and acetylene are dash respectively. Answer is A, 3 and 7. Question number 78. The intensity of Raman line depends upon. The right answer is B, magnitude of change in the polarizability of the molecule. Question number 79. Frank Condon principle explain. The right answer is B. Question number 80. In NMR spectroscopy, dash complexes generally induce downfield shift and upfield shift respectively. The right answer is A, YB and DY. Question number 81. Which of the following relation is Maxwell equation derived from Gibbs free energy? Answer is B. Question number 82. Which of the following example represent non-ideal showing positive deviation? Right answer is A. Acetone plus carbon disulfide. Question number 83. For the given system, CaCO3 goes to CaO plus CO2. The number of component, the number of phases and degree of freedom are dash respectively. Right answer is D. 2, 3 and 1. Question 84. The probability of system being in a state with energy is given by Boltzmann distribution. Right answer is B. Partition function. Question number 85. Which of the following conductometric titration will show a linear increase in the conductance with volume of titrant added up to breakpoint and an almost constant conductance afterwards? Right answer is D. A weak acid and a strong base. Question number 86. The conductance of infinite dilution of NaCl, HCl, CHCCO, Na is 126, 426 and 91 Simon centimeter square per mole respectively. What will be the conductance of CHCCOH in the infinite dilution? The right answer is C, that is 390. Question number 87. The half potential are given below. Find out whether zinc and Ag would react with dilute sulfuric acid or not. Right answer is C. Zinc will react but Ag will not react. Question number 88. Which of the following equation gives half-life of zero order where K is rate constant? Right answer is A. Question number 89. For the enzyme catalyzed reaction, a Lineweaver-Burke plot gave the following data. Slope 40, intercept 4. If the initial concentration of enzyme is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 9 mole decimeter minus 3, what should be the catalytic efficiency of the reaction? Right answer is D, 10 to the power 7. Question number 90. According to the Arrhenius equation, which of the following statement 1 to 4 are correct? The right answer is C. First, second and third are correct. Question number 91. Which of the following listed method 1 to 4 are used for the purification of colloidal solution? The right answer is C. 1, 2 and 3. Question number 92. Which of the following statement 1 to 4 are correct with respect to physisorption and chemisorption? The right answer is 1 and 4. यहाँ पर आंसर मेंशन नहीं है, यहाँ पर गलती है. According to me, the right answer is 1 and 4. Question number 93. Calculate the Miller indices of crystal planes which cut through the crystal axis at 6A, 3B and 3C. Right answer is B, 122. Question number 94. Which of the following statement 1 to 4 are correct? मेरे अकॉर्डिंग फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट सही है और इसके साथ साथ फोर्थ स्टेटमेंट सही है, बट हमारे पास जो ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन में फर्स्ट एंड फोर्थ एक साथ गिवन नहीं है. तो मुझे लगता है या तो एचपीएससी से इस क्वेश्चन को डिलीट करेगा या फिर ग्रेस मार्क्स दी जाएगी. आगे बढ़ते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 95. When Frankel defects are created in an otherwise perfect ionic crystal, the density of ionic crystal dash. The right answer is D, remain unaltered. Question number 90. Question number 96. The normality of a solution is determined by 4 separate titration with following result. What should be the value of mean, median, range and average deviation respectively? जो आंसर है दैट इज क्लोजेस्ट टू ए. Question number 97. The STYX code of B6H10 is. Right answer is B 4202. Question number 98. Lanthanoid metal on a reaction with water. Answer is A. Release hydrogen gas. Question number 99. Calcium and magnesium are estimated in blood serum by atomic absorption spectroscopy in the presence of. Right answer is D. Lanthanum chloride. But answer lanthanum nitride भी हो सकता है. Better option is D. Lanthanum chloride. Question number 100. Statement 1. The atomic sizes of ZR and HF are similar. Statement 2. The atomic size of HF is affected by lanthanide contraction. Right answer is A.